Let's talk about NBA League Pass. So, the big promise is access to practically every NBA game, live or on demand. And yeah, that's mostly true. If you're a fan whose team isn't playing locally, this is a game changer. You're talking about every game, every incredible play, every last second shot, all at your fingertips. It's not just live games either. They've got a massive library of past games perfect for catching up or reliving those legendary moments. Okay, so here where things get fun. The multi-game view is awesome. You can keep track of multiple games at once. It's like having your own personal sports center. They've got cool stats and graphics too. Alright, let's talk about money. They've got different plans. Single game passes, team specific passes, or the full shebang, the all access pass. Prices vary and the premium plan adds some extras like no ads and the ability to watch multiple streams at the same time. You gotta figure out what makes sense for your wallet and how much hoops you plan on watching. The good stuff? Tons of games, replays, lots of viewing options, and a pretty decent app. The not so good blackout restrictions are a real thing. You won't see nationally televised games or your local team's games if they are broadcast locally. And no playoffs. Yeah, it can be pricey. So is it worth it? Honestly, it depends. Are you a super fan who needs every single game? Then yeah, probably. Are you more casual? Happy to catch the big games on TV? Maybe not. Think about how much you can watch, how much you're willing to spend, and if all those extra features are worth it to you. Do your homework and choose what's right for you.